a generous and charming residential address. This property is a large and stunning family home and comes with a desirable address. The home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The quality of the kitchen needs to be seen to be believed. This home has wonderful warm timber floorboards, and it has a stylish alfresco entertaining space. It has its own parents' retreat, as well as good quality flooring and floor coverings. Add to that a workshop with ample storage. Looking for quiet cul-de-sac living? Perfect for entertaining. Don't let this opportunity pass. Call today.